Okay, now we're going to do math. So our math lesson is practice 3-digit addition. And if you have your math book and you looked at it, you'll notice there are no place value charts on there. You are doing a number without the lines and without the little boxes on the top, like these. Okay, so remember, when you're doing these, you need to line up your numbers underneath the ones and the tens and the hundreds, just like if they had lines in between them, so that we know what the answer is. Remember, you move it and you have your ones answer under the tens, and your tens under the hundreds, and the hundreds answer under the thousands. It's going to be a different number, okay? So make sure you line it up. Okay, so we'll do some together. On this page, it could be you're either regrouping ones or you're regrouping tens, so you have to pay attention. Or you could be regrouping nothing, so you need to pay attention. You need to show your regrouping, definitely, always show your regrouping. And on the problem solving, you need to show your work, okay? Always, always, always. So let's start with, if you have your whiteboard and your marker or a piece of paper and your pencil, let's start with 324 plus 67. So we always start with the ones first, right? The ones column first. So we have 4 plus 7 is 11. Very good. And we carry our 1. And then we have 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 9. And then we don't have to regroup the next one, so that would be like 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay, we don't have to put a 0 there because there's no number in the thousands place, so we don't need to put a 0. Let's do the next one. 475 plus 323. Okay, again, we start with the ones. 5 plus 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, 8. This writing upside down is crazy. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. 9. And 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. But wait, Mrs. Toon, we didn't regroup. Nope, we didn't. I told you, you didn't have to regroup. There are times you're not going to regroup. There are times you are going to regroup. The next one, 649 plus 132. We have 9 plus 2 is 11. Very good. 9, 10, 11. Good. We're counting on. But this one we do need to regroup because it's higher than 9, right? So we have 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. Very good. And then 6 plus 1, 7. Good. 781. Very good. Okay, so let's look at the page. I think you guys can get it, right? I mean, you guys are really smart. It's just, you should already be in 3rd grade. So let's look at problem solving on page 400. Maria has 127 animal cards. Ellen has twice that number of cards. How many animal cards do the girls have in all? It's a 2-part problem, right? Because we need to figure out how many cards Ellen has. We don't know how many cards Ellen has. We know she has twice the number that Maria has. So we know Maria has 127 cards. And we know Ellen has twice that number. So what does that mean we do? Good. We add 127 plus 127. You need to write this on your paper. There's a whole huge empty space on that word problem that you can write 2 problems, and that's what you need to use. Okay, so let's add this. We start with ones first. 7 plus 7, remember our doubles, 14, very good. So that's bigger than 9, so that means we need to regroup. So 2 plus 2 is plus 1 is, good. And 1 plus 1, 2. So now we know that Maria has 127 animal cards, and Ellen has 254 animal cards. So to find the answer of how many they have altogether, you're going to add those two up. Now, do you need to put Maria and Ellen? No, you don't. I did that for your benefit so that you know which number goes with which. So let's add it up. 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. Carry that 1. We have to regroup because it's more than 9. 2 plus 5 is 5, 6, 7. Good. Plus 1 more is 8. And 1 plus 2, 3. So they have 381 cards in all. So then you see there's a little line next to where it says animal cards. You're going to write the answer there also. Do I want you to do the problem about that line? And that's where you're right. No. You need to do these two problems separately and then write the answer on the line. Okay? So you're going to complete page 399 and 400. Make sure you show regrouping if you need to regroup. Make sure you show your work on page 17. We just did, or page 17, number 17. We just did it, right? And then you'll also be doing PW 113. More adding. It's okay. It's great to practice addition because, you know, we need to know how to add. We need to be able to add these numbers in our head, okay? Add the 1s, the 10, you know, add the 2 numbers. We should be able to get it in our head and not have to count on these. Or, I mean, you can count on these if you need to count on those, but we should be able to know them in our head. So that's why we need to do so many addition problems, okay? We'll see you in a little bit. Bye.